Lesson 11.4. Surface area of pyramids. Essential question. How can you find the surface area of a pyramid? Most people think of Egypt when they think of pyramids, but there are ancient pyramids throughout the world. The Pyramid of the Sun in Mexico was built around 100 CE and is one of the largest pyramids in the world. Unlock the problem. Kara is making a model of the Pyramid of the Sun for a history project. The base is a square with a side length of 12 inches. Each triangular face has a height of 7 inches. What is the surface area of Kara's model? Okay, now we need to look at our net over here that represents a pyramid, a square pyramid, and we need to fill in the missing length. So the height is 7 inches, so that would go here, 7 inches. And the length of 12 inches, and that would go here. Label the dimensions on the net of the pyramid. That step is completed. Step 1. Step 2, find the area of the base and each triangular face. So, we need to find the area of the base and then each face. So remember, I'm going to use a different color here. We'll use a highlighter. Remember that the base is what it sits on. So the base is going to be the square here. So we're going to go ahead and find the area of this base first. Okay, change my pen again. Write the formula for the area of a square. Well, we know a square is a rectangle, so it's going to be length times width. So each side, we're going to do a side squared. So one side by the other side. 12 times 12, since the sides are congruent in the shape of a square. So we're going to put 12 for S. S represents side. So 12 times 12 is 12 squared, which equals 144 inches squared. Now we're going to look back at our net, and we're going to figure out the surface area for one triangle. So this would be a face, one of the shape's faces. Write the formula for the area of a triangle. This is where you guys need to refer to your iStep reference sheet. If you cannot remember the formula for the area of a triangle, it is on that sheet, so please refer to your reference sheet. We're going to substitute 12 for B and 7 for H. So we're going to end up with A equals 1/2 times 12 times 7. The next step we need to do is we need to multiply 12 times 7. So 7 and 2 multiply together to get 14. Here's the 1. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 1 more is 8. Okay, so we now have these two multiplied together, but we're not done because we still have to take 84 times 1/2, which we know is the same thing as doing 84 divided by 2. So let's go ahead and do that. 84 divided by 2. 2 goes into 8 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. 0. Bring down the 4. 2 goes into 4 twice. 4 and 0. So our answer here is 42 inches squared. Okay. So now this 42 represents the area for just one triangular face here. Step 3. Add the areas to find the surface area of the pyramid. So S equals 144 plus 4 times 42. So the reason we're doing 4 times 42 was because 42 inches squared was the surface area for one triangular face, And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 triangular faces in this net. So 42 times 4, 4 times 2, 8, and 4 times 4 is 16. So you're going to have 144 here, because we're just bringing this over, plus 168 here. We're getting 144 because that is the area, surface area here, and then 42 here, 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 and here, which would be 168. So now we need to take those two numbers and add them together. So we have 168 plus 144, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 1. 6 and 4 are 10, plus 1 more is 11. And then 3. So our answer here is 312 inches squared. So the surface area of Kara's model is 312 inches squared.